Om. Syoham. My humblest pranams to the lotus feet, my greatest blessings to all the devotees, all the spiritualists, all the materialists, because today's star of Kritika. Kritika is the only star displayed in the calendar. All the other stars will not be displayed, because Kritika is the only star. In the daily sheet calendar, if you can see, there will be a star. In that star, that is the holy star. That is the star which shows thanksgiving or confession. You can say that is a star of Jesus. Because Jesus says always confession, confession, confession. Practical confession is nothing but Kritika, today's star. That Kritika star relates to all beauty parlor. They are fit persons, good personalities. They will be Miss World or Mr. World, and like that. They know all the policies. Paramatattvam Arpana. Paramatattvam Arpana. That means all the philosophies are well understood by them. Then, Radhyam Nitkalam. They will make wonders. And in that, wonder is the usual. They don't study. They don't get good marks. And you Kritika people don't get good marks, but your performance will be good. If you have 500 rupees, you will not think of 5,000 rupees. You will think of a plan and project for 5 lakhs, and you will get it done. You are great for joint ventures. You will make everything success with a joint venture. Such an excellent character. Man of action, man of reaction, man of wisdom. That Kritika star is a wonderful star. At the same time, you are a materialist. You don't say that God is there. God is there, I don't know, I know. But you will go by logic. You will go by all syllogism. Like that, what we want to observe in Kritika, Kritika, we don't bother about Kritika. All the other stars, you and me, and Aswani to Revati, we want that for confessing day, for confession day, for thanksgiving day. That Kritika is not one character, that has 6 characters. Six ladies are there in the Kritika star. In other words, 6 stars are there in that constellation. That constellation is constantly sending vibrations, sending energy. On this day, we dine. Engal vittil ella naalum Kartigai. That is a saying in Tamil. That means every day is a celebration in my... Because if it is Kritika, that is a day of celebration. Why? We have set aside all sins. All sins were confessed and we are pure. So we are happy. Moreover, Thanksgiving Day, I have this good golden brown, golden cloth. And because of Kritika, so I thank for this dress, for this speech, for this delivery. So, Om Bhuvasvaga Tatsavitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yona Prachodayat. Sinnarban confession gun, Winnarbin conclusion done. Thanksgiving star in a month, banks getting remedies quintinting. Sinnarban, the today's confession gun. Winnarbin conclusion done. Today every file is over. Like that. Philosophy is always in thou. You have all the philosophies. Philosophy is always in thou. Philanthropy is oftentimes bow. Psychologists estimate low. Physiologists usually in row. So you know all philosophies. You know all philanthropies. You are left to yourself, you are a psychologist and you are a physiologist. What is a physiologist? You are a fit person. If you are a girl, 36, 28, 36, you will be having that perfect structure. If you are a boy, you are a bodybuilder, you will have a long life because of your fitness. Physical fitness is with you. Bhuta, Bhaudika, Adhar, and even if you see anything, you will say perfectly it is right, this is good, this is purposeful, this building is average. Like that, you are a good estimate. You will give the engineer and you will also evaluate things and diagnose things. So, in that manner, faultless finishing to society, fearless criticism to variety, flawless filters to maturity, flyless dinners to divinity. Faultless finishing to society. Whatever you do, that will be faultless to the society. Make it granted, take it granted. You are a social oriented man. All the others are selfie and selfish fellows. Kritika is selfless man. Fearless criticism to variety. You are a man of critic. Immediately you will pass criticism because you don't have any fear in your heart. Open-minded, open, go happy, go lucky man. You will immediately say, you will immediately put the marks, comment them, criticize them, whether they accept or not, whether they relish or not. That's why you say, first of all, I am interested in you, so I am telling you. If it is so, you will be getting good marks, you will be getting friendship, or you will be getting your gap. You don't widen the gap by immediate criticism. Hold your tongue. Otherwise, you will become enemy for unnecessarily with unnecessary fellows. You tell one word, sir, I am interested in you. So this is the criticism, this is the commentary. Like that you have to administrate. Faultless finishing to society, flawless filters to maturity, finest dinners to divinity. Om Shivaya me, Namah Shivaya me, Triyambakaya me, Sayi Devaya vo. That fearless criticism to variety. You have variety of criticism. True, real. Your marks are correct. But society is somewhat not accepting your criticism as if they are perfect. They are imperfect. Or they may be half perfect. So you are of the perfect or on the perfect. So you are criticizing, not criticizing, evaluating. You are commenting them. Your words are God's words. Your words are divine words. Keep criticizing. Keep talking. Keep commenting. You like, you comment, you share. You are fit to like, you are fit to comment, you are fit to share. From you, from this star, we learn how to comment, how to share, how to like. Thank you.